Welcome to the resistance. This week, I want to welcome you to the Friday Value video with an introduction to something that I have found to be profoundly impacting those that I've worked with for over 30 years now. And I've found a way to provide a simple roadmap, if you will, but let me not get ahead of myself. Let's get to the topic at hand. Most people think decline is just what happens as we age. But here's the truth. Decline isn't actually aging. It's the conditioning we've received. We've been told our bodies are ticking time bombs, headed for weakness, stiffness, pain, and what most people dread, depending on others, because we'll become incapable of taking care of ourselves. But is increasing weakness and decline really inevitable? Our biology tells a different story. Our cells repair no matter our age. Our muscles adapt and grow no matter our age. Our brain literally rewires, grows new synapses, new neurons, no matter our age. Our bodies are designed to thrive as long as we take breath. So why are we told a different story? What's going on? I see the only real enemy is the narrative that tells us decline is inevitable. You see, age really isn't the villain. The narrative is the villain. And that narrative ends here. Today, I'm introducing you to the 7 pillars to have lifelong well-being. Think of it as your roadmap to kind of rewriting the story of your future. And I want to tell you right now, they are not trends. They are not hacks. They are not theories. They could be considered fundamental forces that can determine whether you maintain your strength, your mobility, and your independence as long as you live, or slowly lose them without even realizing why. These 7 pillars are not guesswork. This is what I've seen actually works in real humans, in real life, at every age. In the coming weeks, I'll be unpacking what could be considered a blueprint for your future. Not the future the world expects you to have, but the one you choose for yourself. So if you don't want to miss these 7 pillars, you might want to subscribe now so that you don't miss them. If you are ready to challenge the narrative, if you are ready to reclaim your strength, if you are ready to build a life where you don't just survive aging and decline, but you actually outsmart it, welcome to the rebellion. Welcome to the Have Lifelong Wellbeing Resistance. I'll see you next week.